So hello guys, welcome back to my channel today. My name is Ege Joseph. This is your first time seeing me, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. Well, today is obviously going to be another makeup video. I'm not sure of what I'm going for, so we're just going to wing it as we go. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please take a minute to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell by it so you don't miss any video uploaded by me. So first off, we're starting with our brows, and for my brows I'll be using the MacBook brow pencil, eyebrow brown pencil.
It's almost like you're having fun with me, but oh, if I set my eyes on you, it's unavoidable outcome.
To clean up my brows, I'll be going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee. I'm going ahead to prime my skin, and for primer today I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock. Moving on to foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm in the shade Truffle, 362 Truffle. Can't be with you and can't be without you. Say I wonder why you even come home. For my under eye highlights, I'll be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. To set that, I'll be going in with the Benign Luxury Powder in Clay. I'm going to set the rest of my face, and for that I'll be using the Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder in Dark. One thing I know for sure is I don't want a lot of colors on my eyes, and I definitely don't want it to be looking vibrant all through, so I'll probably just start with the brown, this reddish shade right here, trying to see if I can get this to look brighter. So I'm going into this old eyeshadow palette. It looks really, it has old written all over it. I'll pick up this and this. This is a bit of brown and this is a bit of gold. It's kind of brown and gold. I don't know what color, where to place this in. So I'm just going to pick up those two colors and try to pat them into my lids and see what we come up with.
HypeNigeria.com.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but then it looks really gorgeous. And I only ended up using the brown. I didn't use the gold anymore. So I went ahead and put on my liner. I thought I was recording that, but I'm sorry guys. This is the Reverend Color Stay eyeliner, and I'm going to be going in to my waterline.
I wonder why you even come.
My inner tear ductor, I'll be going in with the gold eyeshadow that I was meant to mix with the brown on my lids that I never got to use. So just a bit of it. Next is blush, and for blush I'll be going back into this palette again. There's something about me and this today, I don't know what it is. And I'll be picking up this color in the middle. This is really pigmented, so I have to be really careful. And I'll just do this. So I'll go ahead and spray my face. This is the Gorgeous Girl Professional Makeup HD Fixer, HD High Definition Fixer. For highlighter, I'll be going into this loose highlight. It doesn't have a name, but then it's really pigmented, and I love it when I want to glow up without stressing myself. This is a MacBook brown brow pencil, by the way. Same thing I used on my brows. I know this is wrong, but I can't find my brown lip pencil, so sorry. And this is a random lip stick or lip stain. This is what it looks like. I can't find the original casing in this skin, so I don't know the name, but I'll look for that and put it in the description box. While this is purplish kind of, this is more of a nude shade, still from the same brand. I'm just going to put that in the middle of my lip and smack it together. See what I want to come up with. So while this looks good and all, I still want to gloss it up. I'm extra like that, so I'll just go on and put on a clear lip gloss. So hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video. This is the end product. If this is your first time joining me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell too, so you get notified every time I put up a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. I appreciate you a lot, and I do not take you for granted. Till I see you in my next video, I remain Ego Edozie. Have a wonderful week.